Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me for this segment, we have Witek Radomski, co-founder and CTO of Enjin. He's also the author of the ERC 1155 standard to discuss what needs to be done to realize the true value of NFTs and the metaverse. Witek, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Hi.
What are the different strategies that operators are taking on integrating blockchain technology to unlock the blockchain gaming market opportunity?
Well, I think gaming is a huge area for blockchain. A lot of activity has been happening in blockchain recently. It's grown 2,000% over the last year. And gamers are very interested in using NFTs and crypto inside gaming. We're exploring utility, using these NFTs in interesting ways in games to make the gaming experience much more enjoyable.
What needs to be done to realize the true value of NFTs and the metaverse?
I think we need to make this technology really easy to use for both developers and gamers. We are now seeing interest to Square Enix using these platforms to make their games more interesting. We're looking at better user-friendly wallets, basically the ability to use blockchain directly inside of the game without needing to go to exchanges and things like that. Gamers are basically able to interact with blockchain these days as if they are interacting with their regular games.
Let's discuss the multi-chain future. There are high barriers to entry to the NFT economy for non-blockchain natives. How can we break down these barriers and better incorporate NFTs in everyday activities?
So I think that we need blockchains that are focused on basically blockchain gaming and using NFTs. So, for example, we are building a blockchain called Efinity on Polkadot, and it's really breaking down these barriers for users. You can essentially not even have a blockchain account and start using the blockchain. You can receive collectibles and NFTs by simply scanning a QR code using your phone, and you receive that without any prior blockchain experience. We're seeing things like web wallets, where you can receive these collectibles directly on your browser on any phone without having to install things beforehand. And we are exploring things like free transaction fees that are subsidized by game developers and companies that want to offer these experiences to users. So it's going to be a new era of blockchain technology, I think, coming up.
So really the goal is to make it almost as ubiquitous as scanning QR codes these days, right? I mean, essentially everyone knows that you take your camera, you point at the QR code, up opens a menu, a coupon, some sort of experience. You want to see using NFTs and integrating blockchain technology to make it as easy as that.
Exactly. That's what we're offering. And beyond that, I mean, people just want to sit in front of their gaming console, fire up a game, and they want to have that native normal experience playing the game and using NFTs within that. So that's the grand vision here. We're trying to bring this to everyone. And I think it's going to be a really exciting next few years.
And then if you use NFTs, it will unlock different experiences within the game or create specific communities within the game. How is it different than, I don't even know the games that the kids play these days, but like a Roblox, for example, or the other interactive games that they have, where it's essentially like an internal community within itself.
Yeah, well, the real amazing thing here is now, firstly, you own the NFT. So right. You can take it outside of the game, you can share it with your friends, you can trade it. So that enables a lot of multi-game metaverse style functionality. And I think that there's some interesting kind of aspect when you own the NFTs and when you risk losing them, for example, in a game, that adds a lot of excitement to the gameplay. Some people may want to purchase NFTs as part of the gameplay if they don't want to, let's say, grind through a game, spend thousands of hours doing certain things. They can go to a marketplace, purchase an NFT, and I think there's going to be a lot of interesting gameplay opportunities coming up in the future, like AR experiences where you can pick up NFTs in the real world and then use them, brand collaborations with NFTs. I think it's a really exciting space.
And we're starting to see brands do that now. It's another avenue of distribution for them. It's another way for them to connect more exclusively with their consumers. And you're starting to see that, especially in the high end, the luxury market, you're seeing that it's as ubiquitous as any other form of advertisement for them in many cases.
Exactly. I mean, people need to explore new ways of integration between brands, games, different ways of monetizing games, and different ways of making them more fun and more engaging to people. So I think it's a really exciting space. It's a really cool technology that people are starting to explore.
All right, Witek, we appreciate your insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.